Hello everyone, my name is Dream. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to try to recreate this denim dress out of a denim jeans, or I would say a men's jeans. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Take your jeans and fold it. Measure the length you want for your skirt and draw a straight line. I kept a little extra just in case, which now I think I shouldn't have done it. Cut out the remaining. Now for the bottom, you will need to open up the middle area. Once you have done that, turn it to this side. We are going to alter the skirt from the back. Now you can directly alter the back by just closing it with a straight stitch, but the denim is very hard, and if you do so, you will have a very uncomfortable part at the back. Because denim इतना thick होता है कि अगर आपने straight stitch कर दिया, उसके बाद वो पहनने में भी बहुत मुश्किल होगी. So we are going to do it in a little professional way. Open up the back and the waistband, just a little enough, by reducing how much you want to. Draw a straight line till the bottom. Pin everything and close it down. Open up the waistband. Reduce it from the inner side of your waistband. Cut out the extra part from both the waistband and the skirt. Sandwich the skirt into the waistband and blend it back with the original seam. Now for the front, open up till the zipper. Simply move and place to the direction it is moving. Pin it and top stitch it down. This part we will do in the end. Moving on towards the top, there will be two seams, one the simple one and the second the double stitch one. So I'm going to open up the double stitch one because recreating the double stitch one is very hard. Decide which part you want as your front and back. Facing right sides together, close down the back. Now I'm going to downsize it to the length I want. Measure and draw a line. Cut it and save the remaining part for later. Put it on you if you don't have a mannequin like me. And alter the weird part like these by darts, or just alter the sides as well. And also don't forget to hem the bottom part. Now for adding this kind of buttons, you will need two parts, but as you can see I only have 3 of these. So I'm going to attach 3 denim buttons and the rest will be this kind of hooks. Decide and place where you want your button and then attach them. For creating the button holes, feel the button and mark on these sides. With the help of a scissor, create a small hole for the button. And on the other side, hand stitch some hooks like these. Take your remaining cutout, divide it into 2 parts. One will be for the straps and the second will be for the skirt. Fold it, mark the middle line and cut it. Fold ½ inch from both the sides and then fold it again. Close it with a top stitch. I also top stitch the other side of the strap as well. Place and pin the strap on the top and attach it with a top stitch. I created these cross kind of stitches to secure it completely. Cut down the extras. Moving towards the skirt, place the largest piece underneath like so and attach it with a top stitch. Cut down the extras as well. I also decided to reduce the length by 1.5 inch fold and hem the bottom. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed the transformation even if it didn't turn out into a dress. Now honestly I tried my best to turn it into a dress, but the denim fabric is so hard and it's such a good quality that मेरे हाथ दर्द कर रहे हैं इसको सीने के बाद. Okay, so I literally gave up in the end and I turned it into a two-piece. But if you want it in a one-piece, all you need to do is just attach the top with the waistband and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the transformation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY fashion transformation, and also please do share it with your friends as well. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and until next time, dream. Bye.